Hello and welcome to Leo's Lockpad. Doing another Euro cylinder today. It is a WMS. It's a 5-pin. It's another one that hobby picker sent me. It does work. I'll show you the bitting. There we go. Not too bad. Quite straight on there. Not many too highs and lows. I've actually not picked this one yet. I do practice on some of them sometimes and that, and sometimes I try to pick them straight away. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But I'll have to see on this one. Oh, show you this. I got this as well. I got this for a bit of a giggle. Do a review and a video on this at some point. It is a combination lock. Have some fun with that one. Where we're going. I'm going to use a Southall the Forest half diamond and the Southall tension wrench. Start back of the keyway, right at the back. Let's see. That was number 5. That's number 4. And number 3. There's number 1. Got a bit of a being springy on number 2. Oh, and there we go. That was picked. Fairly easy. Just lock that one back up. Soon, hopefully, I'm going to start gutting. It's not till next week I'll get my hook disassemble kit. Now, I don't really want to disassemble really good quality locks because I've disassembled Yale ones like this and I've put them back together again and working perfectly fine. I know how to do them fairly easily, and I've watched you guys. The other pickers out there, really good at disassembling and putting them back together again. So I've learned off you, and what I've done is, because I've got some of these cheap ones that I've cut in half now, even though it's a dimple one, I'd rather pull these apart and put these back together again, because then if I do it wrong or I screw it up, it was just a fairly cheap lock. Junk, really, if you get me. Then rather do it with something fairly expensive for quality. I don't fancy wrecking something like that. So I find myself that for practice on a couple of cheap ones. I mean, I know pins are different and everything, and different sizes when they're cheaper, but relatively how they're put together is practically the same. You need a circlip. You got to turn them a certain way to be able to slide them out. You need a follower to push them through, and obviously you've got to have your drive pins and your key pins. So, you know, mechanically really the same, aren't they? And so I'd rather do it with a cheap one for the first couple of videos before I do it with quality locks, and rather not break them, if you know what I mean. Sorry about the cold still. Hopefully it will be going soon. I hope to help in anyway. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and bye.